No deep frying, no sugar coloring, simple and delicious. Wash the ribs well. Put the ribs in cold water. When the water boils, remove the blood foam. Leave the stock for later. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and mix well. Next, fry the ribs. Turn the ribs over and add 10 grams each of green onion, ginger and garlic. Fry on both sides until deep brown and add a half cup of vinegar. Four cups of rib stock. Sugar, a third cup. A half teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Reduce heat to low, cover and cook for 40 minutes. Remove the green onion, ginger and garlic. Taste and adjust to personal preference. Reduce the sauce over high heat and turn off the heat when the sauce is thickened. Add 1 tablespoon of Sichuan pepper oil. How's that? Simple, right? I like to sprinkle some more sesame seeds.